Well, I guess I'm long overdue to make an elevator video, so let's do it. That elevator over there is not working, so we have this elevator to ride here at Preakness Hall, William Paterson University. These are ThyssenKrupp Endura MRL. And I'll show you where the control panel is as soon as we make one full lap. And the other elevator, by the way, hasn't been working for the entire semester. I don't know why. But at least we have this one to ride. Three. Also remember, we're in a pandemic, so for William Paterson University, only one person in the elevator at a time. Lucky because I'm the only one using it right now. Okay, 2 and G. And so as we stop at 2, the rear door will open. And this is where I can show you the Endura MRL control panel. Isn't that amazing? So this means it's my first MRL hydraulic, even though it's quite a controversial model. Other hydro MRLs will be the Otis Hydrofit, which I have yet to see. Alright, let's take one more lap and then we'll end the video so I can allow someone else to take it. Come on. G. Alright, back to the ground level. Okay, and that'll be it. Still running great. There it goes. And that's it.